Welcome everybody. I am Ganesh Narvade with 15 plus years of educational experience, and I want to talk on a very important topic, that is, are deemed universities a scam? Everybody, whoever is doing 12th class, 11th class and planning to actually join a university or pursuing graduation and dreaming of doing a post graduation in a university definitely has to watch this video. Their parents should definitely watch this video. So if you came across this video, share with people who actually want to pursue an education from a university. Now, think about what is the best institutions in India for education, and that is the IIMs, the IITs, the IISCs. Why these are the top notch? Because they don't give admission to anybody like that. The top creamy layer students actually join that institutions, and top faculties teach at that institutions, and that's why the value, the knowledge which is created, the placements which are given there are wonderful. The second grade comes the central universities, where teachers are experienced and certain ranking systems are there for actually selecting the students. After that comes the state universities, where every student get the opportunity to take education. And after that, the last level is deemed university. So if you go to the market and show the certificate that I am IIM certified, I am IIM certified, I am Central University certified, I am State University certified, I am deemed university certified, the rankings will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it is a deemed university certificate, it is obviously treated as fourth grade certificate out of the top 4. Then why you should join a deemed university? The answer is the knowledge and the placements what you get. If these two are extraordinarily strong, then you can really think about joining such place. But if you see that I want to take admission, you go to the place, you see the infrastructure, wow, so nice infrastructure, such a big college, such a big promise that college is making, that you do BSc agriculture and you will get 25 lakhs package. IIM, IIT guys also become shocked with this type of advertisements, right? So if false promises are there, only big infrastructure is there, and you just believe in the infrastructure and join, then you are going to commit a mistake. If you believe in rankings which the NAC gives, like A plus plus grade, A plus grade, right? All these rankings many a times are purchased. Universities pay for it. And you would have heard that some university was raided and CBI took charge of the campus, and many people from the university are actually caught and are in imprisonment because they have given bribe only to get that rankings, that A plus plus rankings. That's why I raised this question, that are deemed universities a scam? So if you just fall for infrastructure, if you just see the ratings and then decide to take admission into a deemed university, then you are doing the biggest blunder of your life. Because this years, the youngest age where you have to gain knowledge, you have to get the wonderful placements, don't fall to such type of places. Then how should you decide that what is best for me? The answer is very simple. Just if you have people who studied at that place, see how their behavior was there, how their knowledge levels were there, how their communication was there, how their personality was there before joining the place, and after joining, what is the change? If they became more active, if they became more studious, then definitely the place is worth. But if they became more lazy, then definitely you should think twice, thrice, 10 times to join such place. So this change you have to observe in the people if you have seen somebody physically joining that place. If you inquire about a place, you inquire that in your batch, how many students were there? In that, how many students actually got placed? You also ask that, okay, these students joined for commerce and they got the placements in telecalling, they got the placements in data entry operations. Then what is the knowledge which has been created that these people have to end up doing a copy paste data entry type of job? A telecalling job which doesn't require a specific certificate from a deemed university, correct? So ask these questions about placement and don't ask one person, two person, three person. Ask 10 different people, then actually come to a conclusion that is this the right place for me? Because certificate wise, I'll tell you, this is the 4th grade. Institutions of eminence, number 1, IIM, IITs. Central universities, 2nd rank. State universities, 3rd. Deemed university, almost 4th, the last. So still, if you want to take an admission, then you have to be extra cautious, extra careful. Obviously, many universities are there who give wonderful placements to their students. But how many such universities are really performing what they promise? That has to be checked. Because to get the same certificate from a government university, yearly you will spend 20-30,000. And from a deemed university, you will spend lakh rupees to 3 lakhs rupees per annum. So if you are doing so much of heavy investment into a deemed university, is it worth investing? You have to actually study. Because I also saw such universities where they create fake feedback reports of students, fake programs or activities related certificates, right? And they even show the list of faculties to the government which actually don't exist. Fake doctorates are also created, and yeah, PhD holders are also fake. Many dummy certificates in PhDs are obtained, and such complete fake documentation they submit, and many get rankings. So that's why don't fall to rankings. Be cautious. Ensure that you actually get the knowledge. If a university is giving certificate, if an autonomous institution is giving you certificate without you putting efforts, without you gaining the knowledge, without you writing in the examinations, then they are cheating you and you are just being lazy or cheated, and you will repent after 3 years of time. So before joining, before taking any admission, be careful, be cautious. That's what I wanted to tell. There are some really good institutions, no doubt about it, but most of them are actually just printing certificates, selling them for money without caring about students' life, students' knowledge, students' future. So be careful. That's what I wanted to sell. And I want you to properly do due diligence before you take up a decision. Thank you so much, and share this video with everybody whom you know and are actually thinking that they may join some university or some college in future, and their parents too. Thank you so much.